Hello everyone. Today, I'm thrilled to delve into the Mono X6K 3D printer. Join me as I explore its features, performance, and my personal experience with this device in real-world scenarios. Firstly, I want to talk about its build and design. I found this printer to be impressively sturdy. It's a metal machine that's solid as a tank. However, I did notice the fans can get a bit loud during operation, but they're quiet when not printing, which is a relief. I've also experienced some issues with a mechanical buzz and a rattling sound from the fans. When it comes to software, I feel that the slicer compatibility is decent. But I've faced some significant challenges with software bugs and file corruption, leading to a frustrating number of failed prints. Now, let's talk about print quality. My experience has been a mix. On one hand, I've been amazed by the high-resolution prints and how well this printer handles complex models. But on the other hand, I've also been troubled by persistent issues like grid patterns on prints and inconsistent light uniformity. I've found maintenance and troubleshooting to be a bit of a challenge as well. There have been various defects and hardware issues, such as unresponsive touchscreens and problems with the cantilever and Z-axis. However, on the plus side, I've noted that the printer is generally easy to maintain and suitable for beginners. A big plus for this printer is the strong community support on social media platforms. I've personally benefited from the help and guidance of experienced users, which has been a lifesaver, especially considering some of the challenges with the manufacturer's customer support. In summary, my experience with the Mono X6K has been mixed. It boasts robust build quality and decent software compatibility, but it's not without its flaws, including the software issues and maintenance challenges. If you're considering this printer, it's essential to consider these factors based on your needs and expertise in 3D printing. Thank you for joining me in this review. If you're contemplating the Mono X6K, I hope my insights have helped clarify what to expect. Remember to stay creative and happy printing. If you found this review useful, please like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.